it's Dustin with TechMD, coming at you with some of my personal electronics. If you have one of these expensive wireless mouse and your battery has died, well, there is a solution. Replace the battery. I found one on eBay. They're like $21, and this thing was like $120. It was eventually just getting worse and worse and worse, and I tried to charge it the other day and it just wouldn't turn on anymore. Just wouldn't stay. So even with it plugged in, which was really a disappointment. So I'm hoping that we're going to be able to get this fixed with the new battery. So there is a nice little form online on how to do it, and it's at iFlex's website, but they didn't have a battery for sale. So here I am doing that. Maybe we'll fix this button that's stuck in here as well. We'll get to it here in a minute. Let's turn our heater on 70 degrees Celsius. From the online forums, we're going to have to remove some of these pads. I don't remember which ones, but I'm going to double check while we're warming it up. I don't usually mind opening up a device, but this device, well, it's a little tricky and I've never done a mouse, so here we are. Logitech G502 Lightspeed. So I want you to warm up the back and then remove the spacers. Alright, once it's warmed up enough, use our tool here to get underneath. Plastic. Didn't really want to bend that, but oh well. Okay, we're going to need a 00 screwdriver. Preferably magnetized to make life easier. And this should have been removed while it's warm. And it's still a little warm. Alright, after we remove that, let's go ahead and take out these two other Phillips screws. Alright, let's go ahead and take this piece off. They say that's next. I'd much rather just have you go buy a new one than, you know, spend 10 minutes fixing your battery. It feels like there should be a sticker or a screw under here, so let's... Oh, there is none. I'll be darned. That's the battery I was expecting. Go ahead and disconnect that. There we go. My goodness. Careful not to puncture your battery. It will light on fire if you do. Alright. I don't remember how it was in. Maybe this way. This connector came loose. Let's put this back on. Make sure it's sitting right. Okay, it is. And let's get our new connector back on. Alright. We can finally get this together. So many people calling. Lugging our new fancy battery. Wiggle that in. Connections look good. I don't know why our G9 button's stuck though. There we go. Alright. Put this together. Try to move this cable out of our way. Always gotta guess yourself and make sure you do it right. Oh! It's charging, it's turning on. That is much better. Yeah, I would just stay at 1 bar for the longest time. Just let that thing go as long as I could. And eventually just would not turn on anymore. This mouse is quite beat up, but it's seen plenty of gaming action. Right now I'm stuck on Call of Duty, or well, I played Call of Duty for quite some time, but now I'm stuck on Halo Infinite, and before that was New World, and or around that time was New World as well. And now it's just Halo. I played the Call of Duties for a while. It gets boring after a time. Man, could not be happier. That's great. That's excellent. Perfect. Now we're going to actually have my mouse back. Now, that cost me $21 and literally some simple tools. Maybe a few dollars in tools to fix a $150 gaming mouse at the time. I think you can get them refurbished for $60, but why bother when you can just fix your own battery? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Well, I'm going to clean this thing up with some alcohol and make it look nice, but thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys watching my detailed videos. Have a good one. See ya. you.